Using Toonz Premium, you can manage every kind of project, traditional or paperless, from the storyboard to the final render. Indeed, Toonz allows to draw in raster and vector format, to scan paper drawing, and to load every kind of images and movies. Toonz is very easy to learn, also thanks to its intuitive and friendly graphical interface. It is organized in room, one for each production step or customer needs. Custom room can be added, and each room is composed by panels that can be added, magnified and removed at any time. The panel can be also kept floating, for example for dual screen usage. Scan and trace. In paper-based productions, the scanner can be driven, using internal or Wayne driver, to acquire drawing into the exposure sheet. Once the animation has been scanned, the trace process allows to clean up drawing, registering them accordingly with the used field guide. The result of the trace process is a color-mapped animation level, saved in the TLV proprietary format. Draw, edit and paint. Different kind of levels can be drawn in Toonz, such as color-mapped Toonz vector level. This kind of drawings are vector-based and can be modified with the modifier tools. Toonz vector level can be created using brush or geometric tools, then can be modified with various editing tools, such as for example, control point and selection. The TLV level can be produced by the cleanup or drawn in Toonz, using a graphic tablet if you are working paperless. Raster level can be drawn with the same tools than vector ones, but exploiting different parameters such as hardness and opacity. A sequence of TIFF images will be created choosing the raster level type. Like all tools in Toonz, are also the selection one is available on every kind of image, showing different options, depending on the type of level on which it is acting. While is useful on vector drawings to assign colors or to change shape, on the raster level can be used, for example, to correct mistake. Raster drawings can be converted to vector both in outline or centerline mode. The result of the process is a Toonz vector level with color palette. Also, already painted drawings can be converted to vectorize full-color painted drawings. Using the centerline mode, it is necessary to use not anti-aliased images. This kind of images can be also converted in color map TLV level using the convert command. The export level command is useful to export animated levels in any format, avoiding to render them. It is possible to set a color for the background or set it transparent. If you export a vector level, you can define the output size of the sequence. This command, in combination with the convert to vector, enable the reuse of already processed drawings, increasing their size. The Fill tool is one of the most powerful tools of Toonz. It allows to paint sequences of images in various semi-automatically ways, picking colors directly from the color models and applying them to the drawings. To make the process faster, you can use, among the other, the onion skin feature or the frame range one. Animate. Plastic is a new and quite revolutionary animation tool. It allows to create meshes of drawings and to animate them through the creation and the use of skeletons based on deformation node. Each node can be translated and rotated, creating positions along the time. The original images is used as texture and deformed according to the mesh. The Edit tool allows to create animation keyframes, to set positions for objects, camera and pegboards along the animation. The keyframes can be set on all the channel or just on the touched ones. The channels are translation, rotation, scale, Z position and skew. Double-clicking on keyframes, the function editor is opened on the relevant curve or numerical column. It is possible to change the kind of the interpolation for each segment of the curve. Special effects. Some specific special effects for the Toonz levels, both vector and raster, are present in the Toonz levels subfolder of the special effect list. These effects works referring to the palette color indexes, and allows to modify the contour lines, changing its color or adding some noises into blend areas, in order to create shading effects on the character. Such as for the cheeks. Apply brushes along the line, replacing the standard contour line or adding to it. Toonz offers a wide collection of effects, some standard such as blur, and some very particular. The special effects can be previewed both in the main viewer than in the settings swatch. All the effects can be animated. The most impressive effect is certainly particles. Using this effect, it is possible to create several weather effects, or to use a single image or sequence and reply it, following some physical laws. In this example, the flock of ducks is created starting from a short cycle of duck flight. Settings and utility. During the composite, there are several ways to check your work. The preview can be done in the Swatch Effects Editor, where you can see the effects chain up to the selected node. In the main viewer, where you can have a look of the whole scene, and activating the sub-camera option to preview only a selected area. Some utilities such as file renaming and format conversion are available in the browser room. ECMA scripts support is now available. Using the Run Script command and the Script Console window, it is possible to run scripts to automatically perform some operations, avoiding to commit manpower to perform some repetitive tasks. Rendering and format conversion, as well as transformations of images and levels, are supported. Please refer to the Toonz user guide or to the Toonz scripting language page on the Toonz website to collect additional information. A lot of render formats and options are available, with no limit on scene duration. The render can be also started from a task list that allows to start a lot of render at once.